Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see WhatsApp are introducing new features couple of days ago, and that feature name is a create a poll. How to create poll in WhatsApp, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here WhatsApp application. Inside the WhatsApp application here, several your contact detail informations are available, but I just demo point of view, I select one of the contact here and look at this. I create already one poll as a demo point of view, how to create a WhatsApp poll, iPhone in Android. But now I just simply create new one again. Here addition options, bottom of the screen, and look at this here, several options are available. Last options are come. WhatsApp are introducing last week just only create a poll, or just simply click here poll and boom, you put it your question here. I just simply put it here, one of my question, what is the capital of India, as a demo point of view, and here I select some of the option like Mumbai, like New Delhi, third one like Gandhinagar, and fourth one Hyderabad. And I just simply, if I send here, so the poll are automatically create here. You can add some of the informations also, otherwise options. I just simply send here and boom, now the group people, or just suppose for example the one of my friend, he provide me correct answer like this. So look at this, New Delhi, his option, you can press here, like two people are telling one answer, one people are telling this one answer. So accordingly you can create, edit and generate such kind of information using standardization poll. It's very amazing WhatsApp are introducing couple of days ago. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.